Spider-Man 2099 was a big player in Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, which made me go back and read the original 1992 comic. The first issue starts with Spider-Man 2099 being chased by future police, and the art really sets the tone nicely with the future aesthetic, with flying cars and interesting fashion. After we're taken to his home where we meet Miguel O'Hara, where he's greeted by his answering machine Lila, who looks very different from how she looked in the movie. The two voicemails that stuck out the most was one by someone named Gabe, who seems to be reaching out to try and reconcile with him, and another from his fiancée, who we can see isn't in the best shape, and she mentions something about Miguel being strung out on perks for the last week. We then flash back to Miguel at work at Alchemax, where he's trying to make super future police using genetic recoding. He's shown a picture of Spider-Man as inspiration for where they could take the experiment next. He doesn't want to take the test to human trials because he knows how dangerous it could be, but he's pressured. So they end up testing it on a human subject, and everything seemed well until he turned into a big spider person, broke out of his restraints and tried to kill someone. He's then taken into a meeting by one of his colleagues, Tyler Stone, where he literally spikes his drink with something that is not Calpol. He's given a drug that is so addictive that it turns you feral the second you come off it. After, he eventually gets home, and because he's still strung out on the drug, he ends up hurting his fiancée. Desperate to reverse his addiction, he rushes back to the lab to try and splice his DNA back to when it was before the addiction. But Tyler Stone messes with the procedure midway through, splicing Miguel O'Hara's DNA with the spiders, leaving us with this scary sight. But yeah, that was the first issue, and it looks like it's setting up something really cool. So let me know if you want to see more, because I'm definitely going to be reading more.